We have a surprise for you girls. Make sure your eyes are closed. Keep your eyes closed until the count of 3. 1, 2, surprise!
Hey, surprise is a number. It was supposed to be 3 next. Spice, be quiet for once. Look around you. Can you be quiet just for once? Please, look at this beautiful stuff. Look. It's so beautiful. Look at this beautiful table. And there's even like food and stuff. And a fireplace? Oh, sure, baby, you're right. This is really pretty. It should use more touches of black, though. But look at this. The carpet feels so nice on my socks. Does it mean I don't have to clean anymore?
Well, that's up to Barbie. I'm just here to help with the move.
You're still cleaning. But take a look. It comes with a studio, a fireplace, and look at those beautiful hardwood floors. Furniture's included, too. Can you believe it? Look how pretty this house is. Flat screen TV. Beautiful view of the city.
Look at that pretty couch. I'm gonna go jump on it. Wow, look at it. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go jump. Whee! Look at me, so baby. You can't jump like me. Watch, I could jump higher than you. Whee! I'm getting tired. Oh, you just love this place.
Hey, no jumping on the couch. Get down. Check out this ballet studio. I can't wait to practice my own moves.
Just stop it. Yeah, my practice is a 50.
That doesn't mean I've lost my moves. Just watch me. I'll show you. See, I told you I still got it. I'm doing it. I'm still flexible.
Just please get down.
No, I still got this. I still have my old ballet moves. I think I need help getting off.
We told you you're too old for this. Yeah, you're gonna break a hip or something, Mom. Yeah, we're too little. We can't help you.
I need help. Georgina, come help me.
Did you honestly think you could still dance ballet after so many years of not dancing? I bet you anything I have better moves than you, and I've never danced in my life. Move over and I'll show you how it's done. Ah! Somebody please help. I'm falling and I can't get up. This is a lot harder than it seems. Please help.
I told you guys were both too old for this. Now can you please get up? Yeah, I'm starting to get really, really hungry. Yeah, get up. I want to see the rest of the house. Yeah, get up, please. Yes, especially eager to see the restroom and the kitchen. Yeah, snacks are really, really good about now. I don't want to see anyone else break a hip. Come on, Spice, let's head out to the kitchen. They seem kind of stuck there.
Barbie, would you mind giving me a hand? I'm kind of stuck here. I would really appreciate it.
Sure, Gina. I'll give you your hand. Come here, take it. Just kidding. Ha, tricked you again. Okay, for realsies this time. Hold on tight. I won't let go. 1, 2, and up.
Last time I ever do that again, I'm just gonna stick to what I'm good at from now on, which is selling homes and music. I'm out of here. Goodbye.
Okay, girls, now to get to the next room, we're going to be using the elevator. That is right, no more stairs.
Ooh, I wanna go. Me first. Whee, I'm so excited. It's all pink too. Oh, wait for me, Shelby. I'm coming. Whew. You should use my touches of black though. I don't like pink that much, but it's still a nice color. Aren't you coming, Barbie?
I'll be right up. Please don't make a mess.
We're here. It's all pink. I love it. Wow. Okay, I want to go get some food. Wait for me. Ooh, it touches the black. Nice. Wait, it's pink too. I'm coming.
Okay, girls, what would you like as your snack? Not too many sweets, though. Remember, we have to keep your energy down.
I want popcorn. I want cupcakes. I want everything sweet. I want soda, and I want ice cream, and I want.
Whoa, calm down. Let's first admire the kitchen. Okay, girls, here are your snacks. But please remember not to try to eat all of them at once. I did add some sweets. Here's some soda pop and popcorn and some muffins. But please, like I said, don't eat all of it at once. Spice, did you hear that? Do not try to eat everything at once. Sure, baby, I'm leaving you in charge since you're the responsible one. I'll be right back. Keep an eye on Spice, please. Thank you.
Ha! Mom says a responsible one. Hey, no fair. I don't care because I got ice cream. Ice cream, ice cream. Ah, it's strawberry. So delicious. Haha. I want to get another one after this one because this is so yummy. Barbie won't notice. My second one. Delicious. I want a Coke after I finish this one. I want to get a Coke. She won't notice. She said not to eat all of it at once. It's so cold and good. I think I'll get another one. Barbie will for sure not notice that. So delicious. How about just another one? Just one more. She won't notice. Oh no, I need to go to the restroom now. Barbie, I need to go to the restroom. Where is it? Where's the restroom? I need to go now. I need to go pee.
Spice, calm down. How much did you have to drink?
I only drank a sip. Honestly.
The restroom's right over here. Please don't make a mess. I'll show you guys around as soon as you're done. So let me know, okay? And also let me know if you need help reaching the potty. It is kind of big and it's new for you.
But who's that inside the bathtub? What are you doing here?
Miss Palais, what are you doing here? The girls aren't supposed to see you until their lessons start. I need you to get out while Spice goes potty, and then as soon as she's done, I'll call you over and you can finish your bath, okay?
Please, I'm all Sophie. Please call me as soon as she's done.
It's all yours, Spice. Okay, Spice, you need help climbing on the potty?
No, I just really need to use the restroom. Please get out, please. I really need to go bad. I need to go to the restroom.
Okay, I'll be right outside when you need me. Just let me know.
This is much, much better. Privacy. Look, see, I can close the toilet lid and flush the toilet. I'm a big, big girl. All I need to do is wash my hands. I'm done. Let's continue the house tour.
Okay, on to the elevator.
And we're going up. Whee. Wow, oh, it's pink. Well, look at the bed. This is totally my room. Wow, so comfortable. This is gonna be my room. The bed's so big, so it's obviously gonna be my room. So comfortable. This is totally my room. Duh. Look how big the bed is. It's so my room. Nah.
Silly girl, stop fighting. This is obviously my room. There's no way you and your sisters fit in this bed, no matter how big it is. Take a look around. All the furnishing was included as well. I am so lucky.
Look, there's even a little patio. Wow, this is so cool.
That is right, girls. This is where you and your sissies will be playing.
I can't wait to bring our sissies so we can play. It's gonna be so much fun. Hush up, baby. Yep.
Tour's over. Let's go home, girls.
Aww.
Let's go get your sissies. Okay, girls. Now tell me the truth. Do you really like the house?
Yeah, we really like the house, but there's one thing we had to ask.
What is it, girls? Tell me. Do you not like the house? Is it too big for you? Too small? Tell me. I need to know.
The lady inside the bubble bath full of bubbles, who is she?
Miss Pele. Oh my gloobiness. I forgot about her. She's locked up in the house all alone, and I never told her to finish her bubble bath.
Hello, Barbie. Is the little girl done? Can I finish my bubble bath now? And the soap's all crusty on me now, so... Barbie? Where are you? Oh no! Did she turn off the water? That means she must have left! Oh no! And I don't have any keys! And how am I gonna... Oh no! Barbie! Why? Barbie, help! Help!
I'm done. I can no longer work like this. Turn off the camera.